Happy June! It's Jen from Polk County Public Libraries, and I'm here to show you how to make this month's kids craft take and make, which is this cute little watermelon fan. So pick up your free kit at Columbus or Saluda Library. It contains some of the materials to make this. You will also need a black marker and some glue. And if you have it, a rubber band and some large binder clips will be helpful as well, but those are not required. Also stay tuned at the end of this video for some flyers for our upcoming summer programs. We have a lot going on this summer. June 10th is our summer learning kickoff and music garden grand opening at Columbus Library. That is a Saturday at 1 o'clock. We're gonna have free snow cones, free balloon twisting, and of course our awesome music garden. If you haven't checked it out yet, you can see it. We're also gonna have some giveaways. And then everything is starting for the summer on June 12th, that week. Story time is starting back. We have a new story walk up at Stearns Park. And we will have kids programs on Thursdays at 2 o'clock. Those will alternate between Columbus and Saluda. We're also having some of them off-site at Saluda Elementary School and at the park in Saluda, so make sure to read the flyer carefully to see where to go for those programs. And of course, also starting June 12th, you can sign up for the summer learning program. So for kids and teens, you can sign up at either of our libraries or online and complete 2 learning goals every week. Then you will submit your learning goals. You'll get a brag tag, an entry into our weekly prize drawing, and an entry into our grand prize drawings. So we hope to see you at the library lots this summer. All right, so gather your supplies, and we're gonna make a cute little watermelon fan. Okay, so if you open up your Take and Make kit, you will see the materials we have supplied, which is 1 popsicle stick, 2 sheets of pink paper. These won't be folded already. I was experimenting earlier. 2 thin strips of green paper and 2 thin strips of white paper. You're also going to need a black pen or marker or some glue. All right, let's get started. So the first thing we are going to do is make our watermelon slice. So you are going to put your pieces of pink paper this way and get out your glue. And we're going to glue those green and white strips to the pink paper to make a watermelon slice, and to make the rind on your watermelon. So the green's going to go first. That's the outer layer of the watermelon. And we're making 2 watermelon slices. We're going to put these together to make our fan. And then we're going to put the white strip after the green. And that's going to be that next layer in the rind when you cut into your watermelon. And since you guys won't have these folded pieces of paper, I was just trying to save and recycle the paper from when I was experimenting with making this fan earlier. It should be easier for you to glue the paper on there. All right, and the next thing we're going to do is take your black marker and you're going to draw watermelon seeds. So those, if you've ever looked at a watermelon, kind of look like teardrops. You can put them a little farther out if you want. You can draw lots of them. It's totally up to you. You can draw 1 layer. You can draw 2 layers. You can cover the whole watermelon slice up with them. Whatever you want to do. However many seeds you want in your watermelon. Personally, I like to eat seedless watermelon. For the craft, I think it looks cuter if it has some seeds. Alright, so we have our 2 watermelon slices, and we are going to let these strips of paper dry, and then we will move on to our next steps. Okay, so I actually found these large binder clips to hold the fan together while it dried. So I think that worked pretty well. And a rubber band will help your fan look nice as well if you have one of those at your house. So let's see how well it glued together. So it's pretty cute this way. If you don't have a rubber band, you could leave it like that. If you do have a rubber band, you can make it look more like that wedge slice of watermelon, and I think it will work more effectively as a fan this way as well. Oopsie, shaking the camera. So you can wrap that rubber band a few times around the base of your watermelon. That is a little hard. You might need a grown-up to help you. And if you have a white or pink or green rubber band, that might look cute. But if you really want to use this as a fan and you want it to work well and function well, I think that rubber band will help us there. Alright, you guys have fun and stay cool with your watermelon fan. Stay tuned after this video for some flyers for all of our awesome programs this summer. I hope to see you at the library. Okay, so now that our glue has dried, I do want to show you one mistake I made. So I was impatient. I wanted to try to make the glue dry faster or to make it stick together better. So I put a box on top of my watermelon. Well, it stuck to the box. So when I pulled it off, it tore some of the paper off. So it's not as pretty of a watermelon as I would like it to be, but that's okay. So the next step you're going to do is you're going to do this accordion fold like I have done here. And I'm going to show you how to do that. I just want to say make sure you're folding it this way so that so that the seeds and the rind are on each fold instead of folding it over from the top with just the pink. You want to fold it like this. Okay? So for an accordion fold, you're just going to fold front and back.